Alright, so before I install the carpets, I gotta deep clean this again, clean it one more time. I took out the carpets already, so it's looking a lot better than how it was at first. I'll throw up a picture now how it first was. But yeah, give it one more clean, blow it out one more time, and then I got new paint. I'm gonna paint the inside from Home Depot, very cheap. So it's gonna look a lot better than what it is now. I'm gonna take all this out, paint those parts black so it's gonna stand out. Yeah, I'll pick up when I start cleaning it and painting it. Alright guys, so I started painting the back half. I'm not throwing a second coat. Yesterday I threw the first coat, so yes, I know I'm like missing a spot over there. I'm missing a couple spots. I'm just touching it up now. Second coat. It's looking real good. It looks way better than this. So yeah, whole car's gonna look a lot better for sure. Mama getting new seat bolts, all that stuff, so it'll stand out a lot. I mean, you're not even gonna see none of this because I'm putting I'm putting the rugs back on. I don't like how this looks like this. I would never run my car like this. I figured I'm here already. I'd rather paint it, protect the inside of the car on the floor, just like I did with the underside of the car. Just so, like I said, I'm here already, so might as well just do it. You know, so yeah, I'm gonna start doing a second coat on the back, and I'll pick it up once I start painting this front part right here. All right, guys. How's it look? How's it looking? I don't know about you, it's looking pretty good to me. Right here it looks like that because I literally just threw this on like not even 2 minutes ago. So yeah, this back part is all dry. Oh my god, the blue with the zinced bolts, it looks so good. Yeah, I know guys, I fucking painted it, but I'm gonna replace it. I think I'm gonna just get a new. I'm really digging that zinced with blue look. So yeah, I mean, wow. I mean, I think I have a few pictures or videos of how it looked before, but man, this car looks so freaking good. This is a lot of work. I mean, just this back half, it took me like 3 hours to do, to make sure I got all the spots and everything. Oh shit, look, I missed a spot over there. I'm gonna have to test that up right now before I forget. But yeah, it looks awesome. It looks so much better than this. So yes, I'm not a professional, so don't be, like, oh, you could have done this and that. Oh, it looks like that. Look, just making the car look better than what it was before. Obviously, it didn't look the best right here. If you see, I don't like how this looked at all. So that blue looks awesome. Even though the rug is gonna cover it all. I know that car's protected under and on top. So yep, just taking those from Aki, the Keep Gunning channel. If you want to learn more on how to work on Hondas and like good tips and just learn and good information, go to KG Garage. Yeah, the Keep Gunning movement. Oh yeah, I just learn everything from him. I just take notes, and as I go on, I just keep in that mindset. Just do it right while you're here. Don't just try to rush something for nothing. So yeah, like I said, I just take notes from him. I just apply it to my car. This car, there's no time frame. There's no like, oh, I'm gonna get done next month. I'm over that. This car is gonna take as long as it needs to. I'm making this car look as best as I can to my ability, because I know I'm not a professional. Again, I'm not a professional at all. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm just someone who's interested in learning more, and I just want to make my car look way more presentable than what it looked like before. So yeah, this car is gonna look very, very, very good. Now it's gonna show as a 39,000 mile car, because this is not it. So I redid the carpet, did this. I'm gonna put all these new bolts so it can just look presentable. I mean, those look clean, so I'm gonna just keep them. You're not even gonna see them, but that one I might just clean off with some gas. But yeah, I'll pick it up once I clean this side and then I paint it. I know about the wire mesh. That's all for the sub and everything. That's for the side. That's for the horn, everything, the custom horn we got. So all that's gonna be moved and tucked all under there. I'm gonna do it right. Tuck it all through under there, real good. Might as well I want to have this thing stripped. I could tuck everything really nice. So yeah, I'll pick this up when I'm installing the carpet. Alright, guys. It's looking a lot better. It's the next day after it's all dry. This looks a lot better than before. All this just to look like dirty, like a dirty color, dirty blue. But now it looks solid. Like I said, you're not gonna see none of this because I'm putting the rugs back on, putting everything back on. This is just to protect the chassis of the body for a lot longer, and to make it look nice, I guess. Even though again, nobody's gonna see this, so definitely looks a lot better. Especially in the whole back. Oh, it looks sweet. Very sweet, very sweet. Alright, yeah, so I'm about to throw on the rugs in a second, and yeah, let me know how it looks. Alright, so this is how the city's looking now with the interior installed. I put the back seats just now, the carpet, all this stuff. I cleaned everything, cleaned all this, put all the plastics back on. It's looking good. Put the emergency brake on. Didn't really worry about painting this because you're not going to see nothing of that. But I did end up painting this under here. Actually, let me grab a light so you can see better. Alright, yeah, so I ended up painting this down here. I didn't like how the rusty part looked. All the circs are like that. I just figured I had the blue around. I'll pop more than black, so I'll paint that blue. We got the hybrid racing shifter in it. I had to customize the center thing right here. I had to cut this, so I'm gonna sand it down, make it look more presentable, more nice. Try to put like a piece of trim right here to make it. I want to just make it look clean as I can, because I'm not professional. Just want to make it look good, better than it is. So yeah, got the shifter installed and got that cut out. I'm gonna try to make the cup holders fit because the cup holders, they literally sit right here. So I'm probably gonna cut out. Let me show you. So probably gonna end up cutting this part out. So then try to at least have this, so I can at least black out everything in the back. The shifter cables go through the back right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna have no cup holders, but I'll figure that out later in the day. Figure out later in the build. But for now, I'm gonna at least make it look better, so at least you don't see none of that in the back. I just want to make it look kind of close to OEM as I can. Even though I know I'm already past that, but better than having that open. So I'm gonna try to make this work. Yeah, that's how it looks with the interior installed. With the carpet black, it looks way better than the gray before. Yeah, it's still a little messy in here. I'm still figuring all this out, but like I said, it still looks a lot better than before. But yeah, this is putting the interior in the car. Yeah, so if you like the video, put a like in it. If you want to continue to watch my channel, see me do other stuff, crazy things, learn as I go, consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll pick it up in the next video.